wash some clothes. So we already have some in there. Let's put these on. I know what to do now, guys. I don't need help, Mommy. I'm okay. Okay. Like this, you have to get this bottle. Fill it up about only here. Over there.
Okay, that's enough.
I think that was too much.
Yeah, it is too much.
Okay, let's open this. Let's put it in here.
Put it back then.
Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
Why did you close?
Oh, shoot. Sorry. Okay, next is, let's put some there. We're gonna put it in this Max, the softener.
What softener did you use?
We're gonna use Dell Gentle Protect.
Wow. Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Next, we're gonna put Lenor, that in a box. We're gonna put some on my hand. I love the smell, guys.
Not a lot. Okay, that's it.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, everyone. Pretend we're gonna make desserts. And they're in a bakery. Okay, we're not gonna put those because they're dirty. Now close that. Press this. We're gonna put mixed fabric. Now we're gonna set this temp 20 and we're gonna do this.
And then play.
Where?
There. And
Where?
play button. That's it.
Let's go, guys. Oh wait, I forgot to close this. I love the smell. So what are the others for?
Where? It's a washing liquid. That one is
Finished now?
It's finished.
It's got a bit inside, so it's not a waste. Let's not waste it. Let's check.
No, just leave it for now.
Yeah, but that's not... Look, it's still in there. I want to see the color, so let's just...
It's white color.
Ah, okay. Why isn't it going down?
Because it's concentrated liquid. So what
They're
does it
weighing
do?
it. So they're
the
weighing
washing
it.
machine is weighing
Then they're
it
just trying to spin it around.
to find out how long it's going to be.
Yeah.
Enough.
Now it's gonna pour water inside. It's not. It's pouring the soap with water. That blue color is the soap. I mean for the clothes. Do you guys hear that? That scared me.
Yay! So it's 1 hour and
11 minutes.
Okay,
So what's that on the bottom?
that's for cleaning.
Ah. Well, that's a lot of things.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, tomorrow can I do washing by my own?
Yeah.
I
You
think
and Daddy will do it.
Okay. What if it's only my own? What if it's only me? I already know what to do.
Yeah.
I'll be very careful.
Okay.
Do we have
I
more
think-
to wash?
No, that's finished. I think it's time to have a shower. A bath. Do you want a bath?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back,
Bath, bath.
back, 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 back.
Okay.
We're gonna wait, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to comment and share to your friends and follow me. Okay? Bye-bye. I appreciate you watching this video. Bye-bye.
Kulit. Ang batang makulit.